What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install an LED bar on top of my roof rack. I'm using the Victory 4x4 roof rack, but when I first bought it, I bought it without a cut for the light. Now I kinda want a light, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna still keep the original piece so I can put it back. We're gonna be installing. This is the new front fairing with the cutout, and it comes with brackets for the light. And I bought the S6030S LED bar. I pay, I believe, almost $400 for it. Comes with the wiring and everything, but I'm gonna wire it directly to my light fuse panel, and I'm gonna use this to run the wires and cover them or hide them. These are the tools that you're gonna need to remove the front fairing. And let's do this. The kit comes with this bracket for the lights and the windows. You're gonna want to install this first. We have to modify the Victory 4x4 bracket because it's hidden on the light bar input wires, the input from the wire. So we're just gonna make a cut here so it can fit better. First, you're gonna remove these 3 Allen bolts with nuts that hold the front fairing. There's 3 on each side. Okay guys, this is how it looks mounted. The light bar that I got is a 38-inch. That's why there's like a little gap in between, but the reason I got that light, it was because I wanted to match the one on my C4 bumper. Could have got a different one to cover the whole space, but in my opinion it doesn't look bad. This is how it was mounted, like this, with the supply brackets. And we just have to do the wiring. This is what we're using to run the wires. We have to make a cut here in the middle so we can run the wires through, and they're gonna be using the tape and running to the side all the way to the fuse pan. That's it. This is how we running the wires. Move your hand. Looks like it comes from the factory. It matches the rest of the trim. This is how I have all my lights set up, with the aux being light panel, light switch panel, and I'm running the wires through over here, through the back, and through the side of the pillar. Those are the amber lights. Oh, they're bright. That's the roof light. Oh, super bright. That's the C4 bumper. Y ahora las 3. Nice.